Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to manage auto player switching mode. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter settings again. Go to game settings. In gameplay, go to switching. Find auto switching and switch between on air balls and loose balls or manual. Also, you can select only on air balls and automatic. While defending, the game will automatically switch to best player for you. To switch to another player, you can override the game selection by pressing L1. The game will only switch players on lobs and crosses. Switching is always manual. The game will only switch players on lobs, crosses and loose balls. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.